Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add image on your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So here I've already opened my Google sheet, and then if you want to add an image, just go to the insert menu at the top and then click on image, and you can choose whether you want to put the image in cells or over cells. So for example, I'm going to do the in cell first, and then browse your image on your computer like this, and then click on open. Okay, wait for the image to be open. And then here the image, because it is in cell, so the image is a little like this. So if you want to resize, just drag the row first and then adjust the column width also like this, so the image will follow like this. And you can also change the format into probably the alignment into left, center, or right. I'm going to choose center like this, so the image is in the center of the cell. So but if you want to add image over cells, you can do that also. So just insert and then click over cell, insert image over cells, browse again, and then click on the image like this. Okay, so you can adjust the size of the image like this if you choose to insert it over cells like this. Okay, so that's so easy, right? That's it for me. That is how you can insert image on your spreadsheet. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and also subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye bye.